So now I'm going to join my guests with the mackerel pâté on Melba toast that I made earlier. Hello darlings, my name's Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. So it's very straightforward. Mackerel, you can have the peppered or the plain. Buy this from Waitrose, I'm sure that other shops do it. Horseradish, chives, creme fraiche, and my usual garlicky salt. So, I take the skin off the back of the mackerel, put it on a nice big bowl. Nothing goes to waste, as you can see the dogs. There you go. Normally I'm going to mix today with two different types, so normally I'll just use the one, but I'll experiment to see what it's like with the peppery one as well. I don't give the peppery one to the dogs, by the way, because they'll be making a nice mess on my Persian rugs. Break it all up. Add some creme fraiche. Okay, you mix this up until it's kind of in a smooth, bit more moussey style. Add a little bit of garlic salt. A big dollop of horseradish. Again, mix that all in. I then put in some chives. Don't use all the chives, just because use some for later. Sprinkle the top of it when it's on the plate. And then just the acidity cuts through. It's quite a rich dish and the fish is quite oily. Just squeeze a lemon. Half a lemon should be enough. Through that, you can put a couple of slices of lemon on the side when you serve it, so people can add a bit more if they wanted to. Mix that all in. And then there is your mackerel pâté. Dish it up onto a nice plate, decent portion. Put a little slice of lemon, just to, again, if people, I said it's quite rich. Another little sprinkling of chives. You can use nice toasted sourdough, would be really nice with this. But today I've chosen some Melba toast, just easier, it's pre-done. I'm going to faff around with the toast. Or you can use the matzo crackers, they're vegetable, vegan and dairy-free. Yeah, and that's it. That's your starter. Very straightforward. And I'm going to test it out on my partner, Adam. See what he thinks. As you can see, he doesn't eat much. What do you think? Good? There you go. Easy starter for a Saturday evening.